Hi, Teen. Good morning. Hi, tiny humans. This is a quick video just to explain the vocabulary. So you have this document, whether you have it on paper or you have it virtually, it is the exact same document. And you have the vocabulary term and then my definition. Now, I do not want you to copy my definition. I want you to take the definition and run it through your brain space, smoosh it all around, and then write your own definition. Okay, you're going to put it into your own words. So you're going to do that with all 8 words. So the first one is hieroglyphics, ancient Egyptians' written language which used symbols and pictures. Nile River, the major river in ancient Egypt where people got water and most lived near. The next page. Pharaoh, the political and religious rulers of ancient Egypt. Polytheism, the belief in many gods. Priest, the middleman between the gods and people. Sphinx, a creature in mythology. It has the body of a lion and the head of a human. 2 more. And then temple, a building where people would worship gods. And tomb, a place where bodies were laid to rest after people died. Don't bury living people. That's called murder. We don't do murder. Okay. So you have all 8 vocabulary words. You have the definition that I've given you. Now you're going to take the definition I've given you, put it in your brain space, smoosh it around, and then write your own definition, right? Then after you have done that, you're going to go and you're going to draw a picture for every single, there it is, for every single one. Am I expecting you to be fantastic artists? No, of course not. You already knew that. Am I expecting you to try your hardest? Yes, of course. You already knew that. If you have any questions, let me know. Just email me, jamie.hawkins@washoeschools.org.net. You guys are .org. I'm .net. You know this. Be good people. Make good choices. Bye.